Hey there everybody, welcome back to FinBear channel. Today we're going to go over AMC stocks. It is Sunday, June 27th, and we're getting ready for the trading week. So to get started, on my Twitter, I posted about Ozzie at the Zoo Atlanta in Georgia. He is the world's oldest living gorilla, and he just had his 60th birthday. If that is not reason for confirmation bias and to be super excited for the trading week, if you are an ape, I don't know what is. I actually made a hashtag of apes for Ozzie. I'm even open for apes to 60 or 60 for Ozzie, whatever it is. Let's do some amazing things to celebrate this awesome ape that is 60 years old. So that's my thing. That's my feel-good moment right there. Let's dive into the charts for some technical analysis, which we all know how much I love and enjoy. We've got some interesting things going on here. We are on the hourly chart. And there are two scenarios I am personally seeing right now that could unfold this coming week. As you can see, price action has been kind of following between these two primary zones, which is 52.97 and 58.68. And that is these green zones right here. Zooming out, looking here at what's been going on the past few weeks. First scenario that I am seeing is a possible head and shoulders. And yes, I know you're saying, wait, that is a bearish signal. I get it. I am still holding. Just because I'm holding doesn't mean you hold it. It's up to you. It's all a personal preference. I believe in the process. I believe in this protest. I believe in not selling to all shorts cover, but that might not be what other people believe in. I do see a possible bearish momentum movement happening, possibly in our scenario one. And so here is our head, this is our shoulder, and this is our shoulder right here. Here is our neckline that kind of, supports the idea that this might be happening. The other support as to why I'm thinking there might be possibly a bearish momentum happening in the next few days is right here. RSI at this high was at 80.14. And then RSI went down, RSI went up again at this highest point. Let's see, even though price went higher, RSI went lower. And as we've discussed before, that is a reversal sign. That is textbook divergence 101. So as we see here, price went up even though RSI went down. We got a new lower low and then a new lower high and an even lower low. So that's showing us that right now the RSI is in a downward trend. But here comes scenario two, which has me very excited saying, ooh, I really hope I'm wrong about scenario one, like super wrong. Because just as we had divergence here, guess what we had over here? So here, price action hit an all-time low in this trend that's going on right here, right? So here, price action, RSI hit 20, all right, here, this one. 29, actually the lowest I hit was 29.90, right? Then it went up again for a new lower high, and then we hit a new lower low at 25. But look at price. Price didn't go lower. That again is divergence, textbook 101, sign of a possible reversal, which would make me very excited to start the week on a reversal like that. The other thing that supports that thought of scenario two is, as we see right here, look at this stotch. Let me move my thing over so we can get to it. It's being a brat. That makes sense. So stotch, if you look over on that left-hand side at the bottom row of that graphic where we see the stotch, you see those numbers. That blue number, 2435, is our signal. And that 2379 is the number it goes along, right? So when that blue number is higher than the red number, that is a bullish signal. And guess what? It's bullish. That makes me happy with respect to, okay, RSI might be shifting to a new trend. Stotch is ready to make a move. Price action stayed above 52.97. So instead of this possibly being a head and shoulders, what this could turn out being is a triple bottom. And a triple bottom is a double bottom, but extra bullish. So it will only show that possibly that this section, this line right here of 52.97 is so strong that 3 times on the larger scale it touched and went back up. That would be an amazing sign. So if this week price does hit 52.97 and then crosses over 55.87 and continues upward momentum, and that stotch and that blue number, that red number have a wider gap as stocks continues to go up and that RSI goes up, then we might see possible breakout beyond even 60 and get back to these previous numbers that we love so much. Those are my two scenarios that I'm looking at. What are you seeing? What's the chart telling you? I still think that we are definitely in a bullish pennant. That little flag that is at the end of this high momentum action. I had another app up. It was not working with the computer for some reason. But if you go onto FinViz, FINVIZ.com, and type in AMC on the ticker, when it shows up on its landing page, if you select the advanced chart, you will see some trend lines that they automatically draft up for you, which is super awesome. And this site is free. It will show you that we are definitely in a pennant and we're about to break out of it. I see on there, it gives us the daily, and I can see possibly in about 4 or 5 more days, we might bust out of that pennant, which makes me very, very excited as well. So that's what I've got for everyone today. Let me know what your thoughts are. I hope you had an amazing week. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and let's go make some money.